Does your school feel like a prison? Is there a lack of morale or school pride? Are there outdated murals or outdated branding all over the halls? If so, it sounds like your school really needs window and wall wraps. I'm here to tell you just what that is. My name is Tanner. I'm one of the owners here at Performance Wraps. Kicking it off just with the basics, we're gonna go over what is a wrap. So think of it as a giant sticker. It may also be easier to think of it as customizable wallpaper. So you can custom design and have printed any graphic that you want, and then we can blow it up and put it onto the wall. It can go on walls, it can go on stairs. There's even specialty vinyl that goes on windows that has little holes cut out of it so that there's graphics on the outside. You can see out as the person on the inside, also called window perf. You may be thinking, why does my school even need window or wall wraps? I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why. The first one is because it's going to enhance the look, of course. The second is that it is kind of a morale booster for your students and for your faculty, because you could have those educational graphics on the walls, you could have maybe career paths, you could have those core values, those mission statements, all the things that your educators are teaching to your students verbally, you can now visually display as well to kind of bring that cohesive package together. The third one, of course, is wayfinding signage. Maybe you need to show where the cafeteria is or where the bathrooms are. Wall wraps are a really unique way to show those in a creative way. The biggest appeal to wraps is probably the fact that they are completely removable. Let's take Jesse here, for example, our shop mascot. If I didn't want him on this wall anymore, no big deal. I could heat it up and pull him right off. And that's really the big appeal for wraps versus paint. Schools are so cool because your canvas is absolutely massive. Think of all the different places that you could incorporate a wall wrap or a window wrap. You have your front entrance, your front lobbies, you have your classrooms, you have your bathrooms, your lockers, your gymnasiums, all of that to incorporate school pride as well as adding those mission statements, those values, and school spirit. So I'm hoping at this point you have some design ideas flowing in your mind of ways that you could enhance your school. I want to move into some questions that you should ask your wrap shop when you're trying to look for that specific place to get the job done. The first question I would start off with is, of course, asking your wrap shop, do they do wall wraps? It's pretty common that they may only do vehicles, so you want to ask them if they can do wall wraps. You also want to ask how much of the process do they specifically handle. When it comes to wall wraps, you of course have your quoting process, and then you also have design, print, and install. Some shops may only do 1 or 2 of these services and sub out for the rest. If you come to Performance Wraps, which is my shop, we do the entire process from start to finish. We take care of all of it for you. After you've confirmed that they can do wall wraps, then you of course want to say, how do I get a quote? Typically, they're going to ask to come out to your school to get custom measurements and go over certain areas of coverage with you. Now, really the only way to avoid this in-person consultation is if you took very detailed photos with measurements labeled onto it. I will say for our shop, we do like to be the person that comes out and goes over it, because it's not just that consultation for price. We're also making sure that the vinyl can stick, going over any potential problem areas, and really just going over those fine details that'll make the wrap perfect. Definitely do that in-person consultation. Some shops probably could give you at least a ballpark to get started with. Your third question is asking how long is the wrap going to last? It's not the easiest answer in the world to give. There's a lot of variables that go into it. Is the wrap outside? Is it inside? UV rays are going to be the #1 killer of any sort of wrap, so that'll make it deteriorate and fade the fastest. Placement of that and where the sun is hitting it is going to be a factor as well. What type of wall is it going on is going to be a factor. How recent was the wall painted? Are students going to be messing with it in certain high traffic areas versus low traffic areas? Your textbook answer across the board would be typically about 5 to 8 years. Your fourth question is going to be, when can you get it installed? Of course, when it comes to schools, I would highly recommend trying to plan that install date either after school hours on a weekend or maybe even on some sort of school break, especially summer break. Summer, of course, would be your best time because there's such a window to get it done. When it comes to how long the wrap is going to take to actually get it installed into your building, that depends on a couple different factors. Are you just getting one graphic, one wall, something small that could be completed in a day or less, or are you doing multiple places throughout the school? A very rough textbook answer I would give you is between 1 and 5 days for those wall and window wraps. The fifth and final question I would ask your wrap shops when you're calling around to get quotes are, do you do the design, or can I have someone on my team do the design? Of course, you only want to ask that if you have a designer on your school's team. Now, I do want to let you know, from my line of work, from about 10 years of doing this, It is very rare that someone who typically designs more business cards and brochures or website is able to flawlessly design a wall wrap or a vehicle wrap. The reason being is because we're moving into the world of large format graphics. To put it plainly, when you design a business card, you're not really worried about it being pixelated. Take that design and blow it up to the size of a wall, and the whole thing can be pixelated. When our shop runs into those issues, we have to take that design and completely redo it into the correct vector format that won't print in that pixelated way. So if I could make any recommendation, if they're offering to do the design for you, I would work with their team and do it that way, and it will actually end up saving you money in the long term. If you do have that designer, maybe they could create an inspiration of what they're looking for. That'll really narrow down your design time if you're giving them something to go off of. Those are the 5 questions that I would ask a wrap shop when you are getting a quote. I want to circle back to that design side real fast because that's pretty important. The design phase at our shop is pretty simple. Essentially, that person will go out on our team and get those measurements and photos. Then the designer will create those designs to fit the size of those walls and what size you need. You will work with them back and forth through email, seeing digital mock-ups of proofs. You pretty much, if you don't like something, you just request the change and work back and forth until it's approved to exactly your liking. Now, a couple things to think about when going into those wall wraps is think about any obstructions. Of course, walls have light switches, fire alarms, doors, windows, things like that. That's where you want that level of design expertise to expertly handle those areas. Another unique thing to consider too when in the design process is once the design is approved, colors on the screen are going to look different than when they're printed in on the wall. If you want to see how those are going to turn out, you can always request a printed sample from our shop. We will actually print your wrap on a mini scale for you to see the colors. It's also that great time for you to determine the finish if you want a glossy finish or our personal favorite, which is what this is in, a matte finish for that painted look. A few design things to keep in mind while you are coming up with your school's design and approving it and working with that designer. You want to avoid too much text. You want to make sure that your colors are within your school's branding so your whole school has one cohesive look versus each room or area being its own separate look. You want to consider it from the student's perspective, not just from faculty and staff. You want your students to be proud, maybe take some pictures in front of it. Definitely consider students and parents' perspective as well. And as mentioned earlier, be aware of those raised objects and some creative problem solving to be able to avoid those. Now that we have the design process down, giving you a quick rundown of what the installation process looks like, our team will take that approved design and then print it onto the vinyl and then show up to your school to install the graphics matching that approved proof that you have approved with that design team. I have been asked before if it's something that maybe the maintenance person could install. I would not do that at all. The prints are pretty pricey, so if you mess up, that's a complete reprint. I do always joke that the videos look a lot easier than they actually are. You really do want to hire a professional to install your wall wraps and graphics for your school, and you'll also get those warranties that the shop may offer. So definitely ask that as well as, what warranties do you offer? There's a whole prep process as well for these wall wraps. A little bit more goes into it than what it looks like. At Performance Wraps here, our team will handle that whole process from start to finish, including the cleanup of the walls at the end of the job. I'm sure this is the part that you're all waiting for, is tell me about the pricing. Pricing also, it's a tough one to give a quick answer and say it's $100 or give a really quick answer like that. It's more on variables. How much are we covering? Our shop price is per square foot. You could always have a budget and work backwards off of that budget to see how much square feet you can cover. There's also, are we on smooth walls? Are we on textured walls? Do we need to remove any existing graphics? Do we need to prep the walls? Is there a travel fee if you're you're outside of our travel radius? All of those things are taken into consideration. The design, do we need to do the design part as well? So work with that shop back and forth to get the quote that you need to cover all of the variables for your specific project. When it comes to payment, it's pretty common that we will accept a PO and usually a net 30 on those types of things. Pretty easy payment system once you have that quote and know what's going on from there. I hope this answered all of your question on wall wraps for your school. It doesn't have to just be a school. If you have any other place in mind, they can go anywhere with a wall. The possibilities are really endless. If there's anything that you think I did not mention in this video, please drop us a comment below and we will be sure to answer it. And if you would like to check out our specific shop's work, feel free to go to performancewraps.com and check out our gallery. We are so excited at the chance to work with you, so feel free to share this. If you're a student looking at this, please make my school look awesome. Go ahead and share this with some faculty. We'll catch you in the next video.